Image generators look magical, but they work in a surprisingly simple way once you understand what's happening behind the scenes. Today, I'll explain exactly how AI turns text into images in the simplest way possible. Let's break this down like you're 5. Imagine starting with a photo, then covering it with TV static until you can't see anything. Now imagine slowly removing the noise, piece by piece, until the image reappears. That's the core idea behind image generation. Models like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion take random noise and sculpt it into a picture. Here's how it really works. Step 1, text understanding. You type a prompt. The AI converts your words into concepts: style, objects, colors, mood, composition. Step 2, starting from noise. The AI doesn't start with a blank canvas. It starts with pure randomness, just like TV snow. Step 3, denoising. The AI removes noise in tiny steps. With every step, the image becomes clearer. Step 4, pattern recall. The AI uses patterns it learned from millions of training images to guess what pixels should look like. Step 5, final image. After enough steps, the noise disappears, and your image appears. Here's a simple example. If you type a neon cityscape, the AI starts shaping the noise into buildings, lights, colors, reflections, based on patterns it learned during training. So, in simple terms, image AI is a system that takes random noise and gradually shapes it into the picture you asked for. If you want more clear visual breakdowns of how AI works, subscribe to AI Unlocked.